Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. You have to start, we have few options. Two options. Is to use an application or use gestures. And let's get started by use the application. So open Galaxy Wearable app. And if you add your earbuds to this application, you will see the same menu. And right here we have ambient sound control. Firstly, you need to put your earbuds to your ears. And now it just enables automatically, but you can also tap on it. And we just use it. To disable it, you need to swap to transparency mode by click at the ambient sound, or to normal mode by click at the off. But we can also use gesture, as I said previous, and by default you need to press and hold at the touch area on your left or right earbud. Touch area located at the back side of your earbuds. We have a dot at the top and dot at the bottom, and between them at the middle we have touch area. And you need to press and hold at this touch area. Now I'm going to put it to my ear, and I'm just press and hold. And as you can see, I just enable it by gesture. To disable it, also need to press and hold, and you will swap first to transparency mode, and you can press and hold again and swap to normal mode. But if it's only if you set up it right here in the gesture. So as you can see, by default it's swapped between ANC and transparency mode. So you can change it to swap from ANC to normal mode, or okay, we don't need transparency right now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.